Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely superb Triumph Street Triple R Low. Here we have a Triumph Street Triple R Low. This is a 2018 bike on an 18 plate with just 2,252 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history on mileage. This bike is in immaculate condition and comes in the black with the red detailing there, which you can see, and it is an absolutely superb motorcycle. This, the 765cc iteration of the Triumph Street Triple, and is the first of the low ride height editions as well, which means you get the TFT Dash. The later versions you don't get TFT, you just get the LCD, so that's quite a nice bonus on an earlier model. Bar ends, levers and mirrors are all in excellent condition, as you can see. There's no marks on the petrol tank or the side panels there or the indicator. No corrosion anywhere either. You've got those Triumph engine protectors there as well. All the engine in excellent condition. Standard exhaust, but of course these 3-cylinder Triumphs sound absolutely fantastic even with that standard exhaust. The rear wheel, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches there, and the swing arm is in excellent condition as well. Rear foot pegs fitted. You'd be amazed how many Street Triples we get with no rear foot pegs, but this one does have them. The rear seat unit there, all in excellent condition as well. Standard back end. The rear tyre, of course, with such low mileage, is in excellent condition with bags of tread left. The rear shock just tucked in there, as you can see, no corrosion there either, or signs of any damage. Got that small fly screen just above those distinctive headlamps, which again are completely undamaged. And the front wheel there, all in excellent condition. The exhaust, as you can see there, all good as well. And the radiator. Front tyre, again, bags of life left in that one, and the front mud guard is in excellent condition as well. No stone chips or damage to those headlamps. As I said, those distinctive twin headlamps, a feature of the Street Triple since its inception. The left-hand side of the bike, that's in excellent condition as well. No signs of any damage to the mirror, lever, or the bar end on this side either. The front wheel, front forks, all in good condition. Of course, you get anti-lock brakes on this one as well. All the engine there in good condition, as you can see. And the engine protector there, not been used for its intended purpose. And the petrol tank, all good as well. No signs of any damage there either. And all your subframe there, lovely looking red subframe on this bike, all in excellent condition. No marks on the foot pegs. Chain sprockets, of course, with such low mileage are in excellent condition, and the rear wheel on this left hand side is in fantastic order as well. The seats, there's no rips or tears there either, and of course this being the low ride height one, if you are shorter in the leg, this could very well be this naked bike that you're looking for. There's that TFT Dash, we'll just flick it on so you can have a look. There you go, full TFT colour dashboard there. Rider modes, of course, as well. So if you are looking for a naked motorcycle, and you want something that's a little bit lower to the ground, look no further than this stunning Triumph Street Triple R Low Ride Height Edition. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT. The service is required by the motorcycle at time of sale and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this terrific Triumph, then please do get in touch either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.